Hello, friends. Welcome to hello, friends. Good evening, friends. Today we are going to learn about EllevenLabs. Earlier, I have also told you about EllevenLabs, but today we are going to learn about EllevenLabs. And why we are learning EllevenLabs? My sound is clear. Then, so we are going to learn EllevenLabs. So why we are going to learn EllevenLabs? First, we have to understand that, because for everything we need very good voice. Either we do content creation, either we do make educational videos, or either we make anything. For that we need good voice, and for that we need an AI or instrument to make good voices. So which type the voices can be used? Like, you don't want to speak, you're not you don't want to speak for any of your content creation or any of anything. So one thing you can do, that you can only write a script and choose a voice which can convert that script into uh, something which is very good to be here. Okay. Another thing, another use is that if you have a script in one language and you want that that script should be told into multiple languages, so that you can also done. That is also can be done. And another is voiceover. So suppose that you recorded one script in one voice and you want to change the voice of that script to a female or a child or anything. So using EllevenLabs, you can very simply and very easily you can convert these sounds or your speech or anything into other voices. And another thing is dubbing. Okay, and dubbing is what? See, if that I have recorded this video in English language, and I want to dub that in another language to be aired in or to be shown in Russia. So what I can do? I don't know Russian. So how can I speak? So in that situation, EllevenLabs comes to our rescue. We can convert our speech to Russian or any other languages. which we like, and in any voice. Okay. And another is sound creations. Sometimes what happens that when we create our content, so we need some specific sounds, and these specific sounds are not available on the YouTube or on Google or anywhere else. So what we can do? So going to the 11 labs, we can create the sound of anything that I will show you also. And one more use cases is that you have a video and you want a transcript of that. So it's really difficult to get the transcript and the whole transcript. 11 labs helps you to get the transcript of that. Okay. And if you have the paid version of EllevenLabs, you can also create the audio books. Like you want to create a YouTube channel in which you want to create audio podcast for books. So, what will be the hurdles? That first, my voice is not good. I can't speak very good. So, you have to simply write down the script from that book, the important points, or whatever you want to explain, and go to 11 Labs, submit the script, and choose the voice. And rest of thing will be done by the 11 Labs. And every time, whenever your podcast or anything will be done, you can select same voice with same speed, with same stability and everything. So the uniformity will be there, and this is very important in anything. And so, uh, do you understand what I want to say? That whatever you create for uh, your social media or anything, for education, anything, voice is very important. So, for playing with the voice, we have one software, one AI that's the leader in the market, and that is 11 Labs. And today I'm going to tell you how to install the 11 Labs and how to use it most of the features. Okay, like text to speech, then voiceovers, dubbings, then speech to text, and lots more. How to create sounds. Okay, lots of things we will do. And one more thing, that after that class, I will give a small homework to you, and those who will submit to my WhatsApp number, that I will give them an ebook on 11 Lab. That ebook I will show you at the last of my uh, live session, and this is very helpful. So if you want that, stay till end and uh, do the work what I have given. Okay, so let's start the class. So today our subject is 11 Labs. I'm sharing my screen. So this is a small presentation on 11 labs. Why should we use 11 lab and what is 11 lab? 11 lab, what is that? It's a transforming audio creation for students, professionals, freelancers, and creators. Okay, and 11 labs. Why we use? There are lots of AI tools available in the market for voice purpose, but 11 lab is clearly the leader, and it's very good one. Though it's do not provide very major things in free versions, but its paid version is also very good. If you want to earn on the online and really want to make good sounds or good voices, you can really use it. Okay, so And this is 11 left core features powering creativity. So what we going to learn today, that is text to speech. Okay, in text to speech, multiple language script we can convert to speech, and we can use any voice. Lots of voices are there. We can also use our voice clone also. Okay, then AI dubbing. AI dubbing is what that you have a video in a particular language and you want to dub into another language. So you don't have to again reshoot it or again use another language. Either you don't, either you know or don't know. Okay. So what simply you can do, you can come to EllevenLabs and use that video and dub it to any other languages. You can convert into 32 languages. Are Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, German, Russian, lots, and three, four languages in Indian languages also. Okay. Then voice isolation. Sometimes what's happened that you have some video, and either it's a song video, either it's a simple video. But in video, some background music is there or something is there. You only isolate the voice from that video. So that can be also done from 11 Labs by voice isolation. It's very simple to do, but very effective. Then sound generation. And sound generation, why? Because for content creation, we need lots of sound. And sometimes what's happened that we come across those type of sounds which are not available on web or Google or anywhere else. Or if available, they are asking too much money. So you can create sound also here. Okay. And whenever you create the sound, they will give you four options and you can choose from that options. Okay. Then last not the least, speech to text. Earlier we learned how to convert text to speech. Now we can also learn how to convert speech to text. If you have an audio or video in which somebody is speaking something and you want the transcript of that and full transcript, word by word transcript. Lots of software are there which can provide you transcript, but that's are not word by word. 11 Labs can provide you word to word transcript and with time durations on which time which uh, paragraph has been told. Okay, so it's a very useful one, and other things also are there which I will teach you. But these are the important things which are in regular use for your content creation or anything else. Okay, and then for students, how 11 Labs can be used, they can make dynamic presentation for their education purpose. They can enhance learning. How can they enhance learning? They can enhance learning by converting their PDFs, articles, books into their audio format. And it's always easy to uh, understand in audio format than to read. And this can also be done in one another software, that is Notebook LM also. But in Notebook LM, what's happened that it don't give you exact uh, text to speech. It's whatever PDF or article you give, they make a synopsis of that, and for that they create audio. Okay, so that's the difference. So why? So we have to see uh, on which time we have to use 11 labs and on which time we can use Notebook 11. Okay, and the community building. Okay, so if you create unique audio brands that strengthen community bonds. And another thing is professional and freelancers. Now, one thing is actually whatever we are doing. Our main aim is to earn something. From last 15 years, you are studying. If you are in class two or in graduation, so what is your main goal with education? You want to earn something, and so if you learn 11 labs, then how can you earn from that? That is one freelancing. So in freelancing, what you can do, you can create content for others. You can dub voices for others. You can convert their text to speech. You can create audiobooks for them. Okay, these are very good freelancing services, and you can earn lots from that. Okay, and one thing more, that you can convert text to speech in any language, either you know the language or not, by the help of the 11 language. That will make you global. So you can reach to the customer of Germany, Russia, Spain, anybody else. Okay. And for content creation, what's happened that, like if you're a YouTube content creator, so what will be the problems? The problem is that you always want to create good content with good voice. Okay, you can get good camera, good lighting, everything, but you can't change your voice. Okay, so 11 labs in that place, 11 labs come to your help. From its voice library, you can get very good voices and use it for content creations. Okay, then storytelling and immersive experiences. Generating, you can create sound effects which are very authentic and perfect. Okay, so yeah, here you can see that due to level labs, you can uh, get game-changing results, like more than 6K plus subscribers, 8 million total views, 75% time save. But actually, what happens that if you want to record a video from your text, it will take not less than, for half an hour recording, it will take not less than 4 to 5 hours, because some tumbling is there. Every time some mistakes are there. You can't go in one shot. But if you have 11 labs uh, AI, then you can simply convert that text into speech in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so you can create lots more content for your YouTube, social media, anything else, or for your online education, anything else, anything. So it will save your time, and the number of content, the more number of content you create, the more number your reach is there. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to install uh, 11 labs and how to use it. Okay, so so let's start. So first, what we do? we go to 11labs.io. Okay, this is the address of 11 labs. We go to 11labs.aio, and after that, what will we do? We are going to click it, and after clicking it, see what's happened. This type of interface will come here. What 11 lab platforms provide you? What is the solutions, resources, enterprise, and pricing are there. Then logging and sign in. Okay, and if you run this video, it tell you about 11 labs. Okay, so if you click that conversational AI or text to speech voice cloning on the video, it will be shown. Okay, so you can see that it's not so after that, what we'll do, we go to sign up. For signing up, we need a Google account. So this type of interface come, and we go for sign up with Google. When we go sign up with Google, we choose one of our accounts. That is, and for each account, each account, 11 Labs gives you 10,000 points per month. Okay, 10,000 points per month, and that points you can use, or credits per month you can use for that your free content creation. But remember that it consumes lots of credit also. So a max you can create a half an hour speech from that. So if you really want to use it, go and buy. It's worthwhile to buy. Okay, so see, so now we can press the continue button. What's happened that this type of screen comes. So here you can choose light mode or dark mode, anything you can. After that, I choose the light mode. After that, it asks you to type your name. You can type any name, your date of birth, and which language you like. So you go to next. You fill all the details. So your date of birth is into DD format. Okay. You can select any language. I selected English language. I is asked, how did you hear about 11 Labs? So you can tell from where you have heard about 11 Labs. Okay. So when you come to this dashboard, they ask you to choose either creative platform or agent platform. So whichever you choose, it's not a problem. Okay. When the final dashboard came, you can also shift from this to this. Okay. This one is for general use. In day-to-day life, we can use that. And this is for generally for making AI agents or everything, anything. So generally we use this one. So we are selecting this one. We can change anytime between, see, switch between platforms. We can do anytime. So that is not the problem. Again, we continue. See what's happened. Now it's ask about who are you. So you can choose anybody, anything. It's not a problem. I choose a education purpose. Okay. Then who are you? I choose teacher. Then what should I? How I will use 11 labs? You can use one. You can use choose two. You can choose multiples. It's no problem. Okay. You can also skip it. No problem is there if you skip it. But I choose because if you choose it, it will design the AI will work taking reference of that. Okay. So I use text to speech, then music, sound effects, speech to text, voice cloning, voiceovers, dubbings. Okay, and now it's a pricing plan. See, the starter plan is only $5 per month. That is 400 rupees around, not more than that. They will give you 30,000 credits. Okay, that 30,000, because for 10,000 credits you can create half an hour of content. So for 30 k you can create almost 1.5 hour of content. Okay, you can get the license for commercial use, or you can uh, do instant voice calling. For $11 per month, you get more benefits. For first month, they charge you $11. After that, they will charge you $22. For first month, 50% is discounted there. Okay. For that, they are giving you 1 lakh credits, license for commercial use, instant voice cloning, and professional voice cloning. What is between instant voice cloning and professional voice cloning? Instant voice cloning is uh, almost like you, but professional voice cloning, in which you can train your voice and change the texture of voice also. Okay, and after that there is a professional one. Okay, so we are going to start with so I'm skipping that because I'm not choosing any plan, so I'm skipping that. Yeah, I'm going to speak is skip that. I'm going to skipping that. Okay, so after skipping, what will happen? We come to this dashboard. We come to this dashboard. So in this dashboards, one thing is in left side, that is what EllevenLabs have. That is home, voices, then text to speech, voice changer, sound effects, voice isolator. So today we are going to learn text to speech, voice changer, sound effects, voice isolator. Okay, and also going to explore from this products also. So some of them, these products are for paid version, and some of them are for um, free versions. We are going to explore. Okay, in the middle, what is that? The middle dashboard where you paste your script, your upload or video, anything else. Okay, so the work which has to be completed, the work which has to be done is uh, put here. Okay, and in the right hand we have the settings. What is the setting? One is voice. Like here is one Rachel voice. When you click here, lots of voices come, you can choose. Okay, you can change the speed of the voice. You can make it faster, make it slower. Stability. Generally, we use 50% stability. If you increase the stability to towards the more than 50%, it is less like that voice. It may change. And if you select the stability less than 50%, lesser the stability is, the voice is not is more variable. Okay, then that is for similarity. For high similarity, the voice is very similar to what you selected, and for low similarity, the voice is not as similar as you have selected. You can experiment with it. So first we are going to learn text to speech. Okay, so first go to home. So if you select home, so it will show what are available at EllevenLabs and the voice library which are available at that. Okay, we can clone our voice collections, voice designs. Okay, and now if we go to voices, so here lots of voices are there. You can select any voices, you can see, you can explore, you can hear anything. Lots of voices are there. For free version, uh, you you are allowed to select only three voices of your choice. They give you 15 to 20 voices, but you can select three voices, more three voices from here. And if you have paid one, you can select n numbers of voices, but for every voice selection, you have to pay some credits. So here you can see that if you want this voice, you can click the press button. It will go library. Okay, and this shows how many people use that. 236 people, 5.4K, 2.5K, to 33.1K. So you can hear that this voice is very good, and this voice they have already selected for you. And see that for what purpose this voice can be used. That is American voice. We can use for conversational purpose, American English, American English, American English. Okay, so you can get lots of voices, American English and conversational for story purpose. Okay, so here you can see British voices also. Okay, so after that, one voice changer is there, voice isolator is there, sound effect is also there. Okay, so what we are going to start, we are going to start from text to speech. We're going to start with text to speech. We are going to this one, this button, text to speech, this one. Okay, so for text to speech, what we require one script. Okay, and that script not more than 5,000 words for free version. Okay, and we need a voice. So script has to be created by us. So let us create a script. I have created already created two language script. One is in Hindi and one in English on EllevenLabs. Use cases of EllevenLabs. Okay, so I have created that script on Chat GPT. I'm going to Chat GPT. See, here lots of voices are there in your library. You can choose any voice. You click the arrow button. You can hear the voice. Okay, see, you can change the speed of the voice. You can change the stability of the voice. You can change the similarity of the voice. You can style exaggeration. So lots of permutation and combination and experiments you can do. And as whatever practice you do, you will get the best result. Now, this is a script I have written in three languages. So I'm using two languages. One first is English one. So what should I do? I copy this script. See what I've written. Give me a script on the use case of EllevenLabs in English, in Hindi, and Malayalam. But so first I'm going to use that English script. So what should I do? I copy that script simply and paste it to the here in the middle part. Okay. After that, what should I do? I'm going to select a voice. So for voice selecting, where should I come? I come to here, and I go and hear the
Just
voice.
trust yourself. Then you
This is
will
a
learn
female
how to
voice.
live.
This is a
As we
male
are
voice.
liberated from our own fear,
This
our
is
presence.
The thing always happens that you
this is a
really
male
believe in,
voice.
and the
I like
belief in
this
a
Brian
thing
voice.
makes
So
it
what should
happen.
I do? I click it. Yeah. Okay. On the Brian, I click it. Now it has been selected. Now you can change the speed and anything. But my advice is first keep it to uh, default one. After some practices, you can experiment it with. Okay. So here you see that 486 words are there. You can use maximum 5,000 characters. And for 486 words, I have 10,000 credits because I've made a new account. And these 10,000 credits comes every month. Okay. So monthly it will give you 10,000 of credits. How you, for free version. For how you use it, you have to see that. Okay, so let's go. What we'll do, we have selected the voice, we have pasted the script. Now we hear what first we hear the voice. Okay, the voice we have selected.
The
Here we
thing
have,
always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
okay, so what we have done, we have selected the voice and heard the voice. Now if you like the voice,
The
you
thing
go
always
and
happens that you really believe in,
generate this,
and the belief in a thing
okay,
makes it
if we
happen.
click this button, the speech will be generated. Now this the speech is going to be generated.
EllevenLabs is an advanced AI voice generation
Now
platform.
see what
With it,
it's
you can
saying.
instantly convert text into natural, human-like speech. It is useful for creators, educators, businesses, and even for accessibility. For example, teachers can create learning materials in multiple voices, YouTubers can generate voiceovers without
So
recording,
do you see that?
and companies can provide
That's
customer support in
really
different
good sound
languages.
and
In
looking
short,
very
EllevenLabs
professional.
saves
It's
time,
really
reduces
difficult for
cost,
us to
and makes
speak in such a
communication
manner.
more effective.
So after creating, what we will do, if we like it, we can download it. If we don't like it, we will regenerate it. But keep in mind that for each generation, you have to spend some credits. See, 486 credit has been deducted. If you go to regenerate again with another voice or anything else, it will again cut the credit. So use it judiciously. Okay. Now, if we like it, we will going to download it. This is the download button. Yeah, you can see that download latest. So we're going to download it. Now we have downloaded it. We're going to here. Okay, here see, we have downloaded it. This one. Now we are going to here.
EllevenLabs is an advanced AI voice generation platform. With it, you can instantly convert text into natural, human-like speech. It is useful for creators, educators, businesses, and even for accessibility. For example, teachers can create learning materials in multiple voices.
So it's okay. Now what we'll do, we're going to make another speech from for Hindi for another language, that is Hindi. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy the script we are already written in ChatGPT on the same subject, on the same topic. We're going to paste it. After pasting, we are going to select a sound. For selecting sound, what we'll do, because this is Hindi one, we will select an Indian voice. So we type here Hindi or Indian. So when we type Hindi, Hindi voices will come. See, customer care, Tripti, voice of God, Hindi narrations, Riya
मैं
Roy.
एक भारतीय
Okay,
हिंदी आवाज हूँ। मुझे कई
let's
सारे
hear.
नरेशंस प्रोजेक्ट्स में
मैं वही आवाज हूँ जिसे आपने कई भरोसेमंद ब्रांड्स के साथ सुना है। अब ये आवाज आपकी ब्रांड की भी हो
Now
सकती
I
है।
liked it.
बताइए, आपकी
I
क्या
add to my
सहायता कर
voice
सकती हूँ?
and select it. Okay. Now this Riya Roy voice has been selected. This is a female voice. We don't touch it. Now we're going to generate it. So that time,
EllevenLabs एक अत्याधुनिक AI वॉइस जनरेशन प्लेटफॉर्म है। इसके द्वारा आप किसी भी टेक्स्ट को तुरंत प्राकृतिक और इंसानी
So
जैसी
see
आवाज में बदल सकते हैं।
how
ये
good
creators,
it has been created.
शिक्षकों,
Is
बिजनेस
it possible for
और
us to create
एक्सेसिबिलिटी के लिए बहुत
this type
उपयोगी
of
है।
speech?
उदाहरण के लिए शिक्षक अलग-अलग आवाजों में स्टडी मटेरियल बना सकते हैं। यूट्यूबर्स बिना रिकॉर्डिंग के वॉइस ओवर बना सकते हैं और कंपनियां कस्टमर सपोर्ट कई भाषाओं में दे सकती हैं। संक्षेप में, 11 लैब्स समय बचाता है, खर्च कम करता है।
So you see that very good speech has been converted from Hindi, and it's not possible for us to speak in such a good manner. Okay, with such a stability and everything else. Okay, so that's why we use 11 labs. Even if we want to use our voice, we clone our voice and use our voice for text. We don't go to don't direct speak. Okay, we use our voice cloning and can use it. Then it will be more stable and sounds very good. Okay, so after generating it, what
और
will we do?
संचार को और
We are going
प्रभावी
to
बनाता है
download it.
तुरंत प्राकृतिक और
After
इंसानी
downloading
जैसी
it,
आवाज
we
में
hear
बदल
it.
सकते हैं
It's okay.
ये
And
क्रिएटर्स
if we want to use it, we can use it anywhere else, anywhere. Okay. Now, again, what another thing we have to do? Actually, I also want to convert one Malayalam script from text to speech, but 11 Labs don't support Malayalam speech. So I'm going to skip that. Okay. Now, what other topic is that I'm going to use voice changer. Okay. Voice changer is what? Like if you have created one video in one language with one voice, and that voice is of male voice. Now you want to convert same video into same language into another voice, either it's male, female, child, anything, without changing the script yourself. So you don't have to cut and paste your script again and go for video editing. Nothing. Simply go and upload your audio here, okay, and you can convert it, okay. So you can record your audio also, or you can upload your. I'm going to upload one of my recorded audio, okay. So I've selected one audio. Uh,
The
First time
story
hear
of
it.
Agni begins in the 1980s, a time when India was committed to enhancing its defense capabilities in the face of emerging global challenges. With the world at the cusp of the missile age, India saw the necessity of developing its own indigenous weapons system.
So this voice has been not created directly by me. This is from my voice cloning, okay.
The challenge was immense, but so was the ambition.
So after that, what should I do? You have to select the voice to which you want to convert this video. Okay, so I convert this video into a female voice, that is Riara. Okay, and now going to generate the speech.
The story of Agni begins in the 1980s, a time when
Yeah.
India was committed to enhancing its defense
The voice has been
capabilities
converted
in the
to
face of emerging global challenges. With the world
female
at the
one.
cusp of the missile age,
Within 1
India
minute.
saw the necessity
So
of
how
developing its
easy
own
to
indigenous
convert
weapons system.
from one voice to
The
another
challenge
voice?
was immense,
That's
but
called
so
the
was the
voice
ambition.
changer, and you can experiment lots of voices in that. Okay, now experimenting with the Charlie voice. That Charlie is an American people. So what will be the
The
use case
story
of?
of Agni begins in the 1980s, a time when India was committed.
So whenever you go for voice changeover, one thing you can see that anybody who speaks in behalf of you, a voice changer is there. They will speak in your tone, in what speed you are speaking. Voice is theirs, but modulation is of yours. So, what will be the use case? So, if you have one audio in English in Indian style, Indian English, now you want to send this video to America for American people. So, do they like the Indian accent? No. So, what we can do? We can convert that audio into an a voice, that is voice change, from voice changer to an American English. Okay. Same thing we can do with British one and anyone else. Okay.
To enhancing its defense capabilities in the face of emerging
See,
global challenges.
now it's
With the world
converted
at the cusp of the
same
missile
script
age,
and audio
India saw the
to this
necessity of
person's
developing
voice.
its own indigenous weapons system. The challenge was
Now, after voice changer, what
The challenge was immense, but so
this
was
is
the
voice
ambition.
changer. Okay, so you go and experiment with it. Now, another topic is sound effects. What is sound effects? Sound is nothing but whenever you want to create some content, anything, either it's educational, for fun purpose, for any purpose, we need sounds and lots of sounds and different type of sound. Sometimes we don't have that type of sounds. So what we will do? We go to compromise. So if you have good sound and sound effect in your video or audio, it will enhance the quality of your audio and video. So whenever you go to YouTube and any platform, whichever you video you want, everything you see audio, video, everything. In audio, if small detailing are there, you will like that video and that content. And so if you don't want to compromise with sound, you are not getting sound. So you can come to EllevenLabs and create whichever sound you want to create. Lots of sounds are there, but what's the problem is that in the free one, it comes with a sound watermark. Okay, so you can't use it. You can create it. Okay, lots of options are there. You can choose that. Uh, After choosing that, you can see the prompt which has been used and use the prompt for creation of your desired voice. Okay, so see that what's the sound effects have. So we click on the sound effects and go to see, go to animals. So for animals, what that a beautiful calm night where you can hear the quiet rhythmic crickets insects. Okay, duck, horse running. See, duck is there. If you want to download it, you can download from here. Horse running, snake, rat. Okay, so lots of sounds are there. So actually, what all these sounds in free versions come with a watermark, sound mark, sound type of watermark. Okay, so you can't use directly for your videos and for your commercial. And one thing you have to keep in mind, you can use a free version of that for your um, personal use, not for commercial purpose. So if you want to use it for commercial purpose, you have to go for the paid one. You can't use for. Okay, so you can see lots of sound are there. So dolphin sound is there. Now you want to create a sound. Okay, so I want to create a funky car horn sound. Okay, I want for my video I need a funky car horn sound. So what should I do? I simply write a prompt that funky car horn sound and then press this go button. What happened? It give you four type of sound, four options. In four options, whichever you like, you can download it. Okay, you can download four of them also. You can download one of them also, two of them, any numbers you want. But it will give you four options for every sound creation. See what happens here. So I like the fourth one, so I download that one. I can use that one. You have to download all of them because lots of time I can come to use that one. Okay, anywhere I can use that. So, see, by this type, you can create lots of sounds from here, and they can download into MP3 version. Okay, three versions are there: MP3, Wave. You can download it and hear it. Now, if you want to hear more sounds like that's a brass sound. See, like Viking car horn. You can choose another sound effect also. No, which no booms. Lots of explosion sounds are there. See, so when you are creating something creative or anything, lots of sound options are there. Okay, so it is best platform. If you you want to use the library, you can use the library, and if you want to use the make your sound, you can make it. Okay, now there's a guitar. Okay, this is a ghost. Whispering ghost trails, dark horror background music. Okay, so you can explore. Lots of sound are there. Lots of sound are there. Human sounds.
Hmm.
11 Labs.
Like bird crying sound, baby screaming.
11 Labs.
Let's go.
So see
11 Labs.
how much voices are there. Can you find that much collection of voices anywhere else? No. No, you can for machines. For machine sound you
11
have.
Labs.
See,
11 Labs. 11 Labs.
see,
11 Labs.
phone ringing sound is there.
11 Labs. 11 Labs.
Okay.
11 Labs.
Now after doing that, you can experiment it with, and you can play with it, and can create lots of sound. Now after sound effects, one thing is that voice isolator. So what is isolator? Voice isolator is which isolate voice from your song or from your video. It will remove everything else, like any sound, any background sound, any music. So if you need, if you have a song and you only want the lyrics of that song, so you want to remove the music. So you can do from that. How can you do that? Either you can upload your audio or you can record your audio. Okay. So I will upload an audio. So I will select a Telugu song which I have created, a Telugu bhajan for my Guruji, and a Hindi Gurudev bhajan. And first we hear that, okay, and after that we are going to isolate the voice. So see what's happened. First we are going to hear. So now we are isolating the voice. No, it's isolating voice from audio track. So it will separate the audio track and the voice. Okay. Now it has been separated. See, no sound is there. So you can download it. You can download it. Okay. Now this part has been completed. That is text to speech, voice changer, sound effect, and voice oscillator. Now in studio I am going to experiment with the things which are available. So in studio, everything we can't use in free versions. So I will show you how to use it. If you want to use it, you can use it for uh, in your paid versions. Whichever is free, I will show you. Okay. So first we are going to in the studio segment we go and going to for create an audiobook. For creating an audiobook, what will you require? Either we upload a document. Okay, and for that document we can choose a voice. So from here we can a drop down list will come. We can choose any voice, whichever we like. Uh, it's same process in which we use in the text to speech. Okay. After that, see what's happened, because this is for paid one, so it won't allow us to make. Let's see. I will show you the process. So I'm going to use one of my PDF. Okay. So I selected one of my PDF, that is AI Future. Okay. Now I'm selecting the sound. How can I select the sound? Simply clicking on here. A drop down list will come. We can select any voice, whichever we like. Okay. After selecting the voice, we can hear the voice same manner. Okay. So
I'd rather regret the things that I have done.
Nature is a mutable place.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
now, if we find that, okay. So what will we do? If we go to create the project, the document is either invalid or content cannot be extracted out of it. This message, why it's showing? Because it's not a paid one, so we can't create. But this is the process. If you have a paid one, you can create the project. Okay, and it will create the audio file in the same manner in which it created text to speech. Okay, so after that, something more we can going to learn, that is speech to text. See, we are going to learn that speech to text. Now, one thing more. Now, after audiobook, the second option is create a podcast. But also the podcast you can't create without a paid version. But the process I can show you how can you make. If you're paid one, you can make one. So you have to go to the audio podcast button, click it, and after that create a podcast. Okay, and then what will you do? You have to upload your document for which you have to want to create a podcast. Okay, so and after that you have to select in which mode you want. You want in conversational mode or any mode. Okay, and you can choose select the voices, host voice and guest voice. Okay, and the language can be detected either auto detected or you can select the language. Okay, so let's see what's happened. You can also import from any URL, or you can also use any existing project. In that project, they will change the sound. Okay, so see what's happening. I'm going to select one of my PDF and select two voices. You can same manner you can hear any voice, whichever voice you like. You can select same manner. You can select any voice and you can like. The podcast language is auto detect, but I am going to detect an English language. Same message is there that upgrade subscription to the starter tier to generate podcast. So we can't generate podcast in a free version, but the process is same. Whatever what I'm showing you, only you have after that, after generating, if you want to generate it, you have to be a have a paid version, a simple starter kit also. Okay, so that you can do. You can create a podcast without having live people. Only you have to have script and one subscription of 11 labs. The magic will happen. Okay. Now, next, what we are going to learn, then we can create music from 11 lab. So I'm clicking that button in the left hand side. Here you can see music is there, left hand side, middle of the bar. You can see music. You click it, and after clicking that, we can write any prompt. Okay, so that prompt will create the music. So see what's happening. It will create a music with flute. Okay, so it's have created the verses are there. Okay, and you have the intro music, verse 1, chorus, verse 2. So it's creating, writing the lyrics also. Okay, you can paste your lyrics also, but AI will write your lyrics also. So here you again, here we want to hear. See,
morning dew upon the meadow, starlight dances on the stream, whispers carried on the window, chasing every tender dream.
so isn't good? The music is there, the lyrics are there, the sound has been selected, everything has been done. So you can create very good music from that. If you can learn how to write good prompts, then you can generate very good music according to your need. So you have to describe what do you want. I've written a simple um, 4 word prompts and see what's the magic it has created. So it's really magical. So after that, another thing is which we see in the left panel after music, that is dubbing. What is dubbing? Dubbing means you in same video you can change the audio, the language of the audio, okay, the sound of the audio, and the dubbing part of 11 lab is very good, and it almost provide you video sorry, sound editing. Okay, not video editing but sound editing in very good manner. So here is one demo video on that from 11 labs. First see that. Okay, it translate your content into 29 languages. Okay. So first see dubbing editor, which has given by 11 Labs. Really good one.
When you first open a dubbing studio project, it can be a little bit overwhelming at first. There's just a lot on the page and there's a lot of different features. So let's kind of go over some of those. Right out of the gate, you'll notice that you'll be on the default or the original language. So if you do want to switch that, you'll just need to click here on the bottom to your target language. In this case, I have Spanish. On the main page here, you'll notice that you have the video, which can be minimized, of course. You can move that around if you'd like. You have the speaker cards, which has the transcriptions as well as the
You
translations.
have the transcription.
And then you have the timeline down here in the
On
bottom.
the timeline also you have the sounds.
And you'll notice that if you click on a certain
Change the
output,
transcript also. You can change the sound. You can change the language. Anything you can do.
If I was to click on this one right here, then this speaker card is highlighted. So let's just play a portion of this right here so you can hear it.
So, a couple more things about olfaction.
Now you notice, if you're wondering, why is it playing in English, not Spanish? There's also this button right here, which toggles between your target language and the original one. And it's
So this is the dubbing editor given by the 11 Labs. You can go and explore, but this is for paid version. But it's a very good one. Go and explore it. So it's a long video. You can go to 11 Lab and see in the dubbing part. Okay, I'm not playing that video full. Now, after that, okay. Another thing is which you can do, importing YouTube videos. Okay, you can export your import your YouTube videos which you have already made and convert it to another language. That I have also teased you in using the software. Which one? Hagen. That you can do in Hagen also, in here also. Wow. So what is the process? See, first we are going to click here, create new dub. Okay, and this will translate our content in 29 languages. So first we are going to click that button. So this type of interface will come. So here we'll type your project name, source language, target language. We upload our URL, upload our video or URL or TikTok video or YouTube video. Okay, anything we can do. Number of speakers we can detect automatically, or you can simply say it's 2 speakers. Time range to dub. So if it's a 3 minutes video, you can dub from where to where you want. Okay. You can disable voice cloning or enable voice cloning. If you not disable the voice cloning, your voice clone can be used. Okay. So let's see what happened. I'm going to select one of a video that is of Steve Jobs. That is from YouTube, but I have downloaded it. Okay, so I've selected that video and giving a project name to that. I'm writing the name Steve Jobs. What's the source language? Here is. This is the Hindi one. Actually, that's I've dubbed in Hagen from English to Hindi. Now I'm converting it into Russian. Okay, why going for English? Go for Russian. With the language we can't do. Okay, so I'm converting it to Russian. So for dubbing, it's required lots of credit for lots of credit. So it won't going to generate my 3-minute 23-second videos. So I will shorten it. So what will I do? I type from where to where it has to be created. So I've selected time range for 20 seconds. So I have written here the starting time from 3 minutes 3 seconds to actually I don't have enough credits for that much long video. So disable voice cloning. I don't use it. Now create. See what's happened. It's really amazing. You can do lots of things here. Almost done. See now hear it. Now it's processing. See, it's processing. It's processing here. It's processing. Now see what's going to happen. Wait for some time because AI also takes some time, but it's too faster than us with limited resources. One computer, one Wi-Fi, and one EllevenLabs subscription. See, 5 minutes, everything will done. It's really magic. So hear it.
Очень сильный прогресс наблюдается в этих областях, и вы начнете видеть некоторые из этих вещей в течение следующих 90.
So what will be the use cases? If you have any video of yours in any language, you convert into 29 languages, and simply with your computers, not going to any dubbing artist or anything, and simply paying simply 2,000-3,000 rupees. If you're going to use dubbing artists, they will charge you for one language. They will charge you 10 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, so it's really a very good thing. And after dubbing into multiple language, you can make one video or one content and release to n numbers of people in worldwide. So your reach will be global.
До 120 дней. Так что я действительно очень рад этому.
So if you like it, download.
Очень сильный прогресс
So
наблюдается в
after
этих
downloading,
областях, и вы начнете видеть некоторые из этих вещей в течение следующих 90-120 дней. Так что я действительно очень рад.
If any Russian people who don't understand English and the interview who want to hear Hindi, you simply can dub it into Russian and hear it and learn it. And for students, it's also very good. Like if I want to learn something from YouTube and the video is in Russian and I don't know Russian, but I know that that professor is very good in that subject and I want to learn from his video. So one option is there. I can see the subtitles, but it's not easy to learn from subtitles. So what I can do, I can use AI software. So one software that is EllevenLabs we can use and convert into the language we are familiar with or which we understand properly. Or we can use another software that on Saturday I have teased you. You can also find video of that you can convert that lip syncing, dubbing with lip syncing on Hagen. Okay? So it's a multiple use.
Этому. Я продал свои акции в то время, когда мне не позвонили из совета директоров, чтобы сказать, что они хотят, чтобы я руководил Apple в этот период, и это было неудачно. Жаль.
Now, another thing what we are going to learn, that is speech to text. Generally, we learn how to convert text to speech. But sometimes what happens that from some videos we want a comprehensive text. A text we call a transcript. But if you are using other software, because I'm also using other softwares or AI, they give you a transcript, but that transcript is not complete. Something is missing in that. EllevenLabs gives you word to word transcript. Okay. Hello. Sorry, due to failure of current and Wi-Fi is not there. I again connected you with you. Now let's continue what we are learning. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. So what we are learning.
Right. I'm going to click that.
Apple в этот период, и это было не...
So we have now we are going to learn how to convert speech to text. Okay.
Apple в этот период, и это было неудачно. Жаль.
So we are going to learn how to convert speech to text. For speech to text, we have to go this button, speech to text. Okay. And after clicking that, this type of dashboard will come. Okay. This type of dashboard will come. Okay. And we have to upload our file. Okay. So we are going to upload our file. Or upload a video. So I'm going to upload a video of Steve Jobs again. And for that whole interview, I'm going to get the transcript. Okay. I've selected that one. So if you want to see, two type of transcripts are there. One is AI transcript. In this, AI will give you the transcription, and one is human transcripts. This transcript will be provided by some humans. They will see the video and give you the transcriptions, but that will take some time, usually ready in 48 hours. And for AI transcription, it is ready in seconds. And human transcripts, though it is good, but it requires lots of money for $2.2 per minute. And for AI transcript, you only require credits. Okay. So for human transcript, you have to pay additionally instead of credits. Okay. It don't cut from your credits. It's not part of your subscription. So I'm going for AI transcript. See what's happened. Now it's transcripting. Now here's transcript. The transcription has been done. So it will take a little time. Let's see. Now it has been transcripted. Now we can see the transcription. Okay. So in this transcription, when you see the result, the video will be there, and the transcription will be there. And as the video goes forward, you will see the transcription is going forward, word by word. Okay. Let's see that.
We don't predict our financials. Yeah.
See,
I think that there's a lot of things changing.
Whatever
that
words
right
he is speaking, that is going to be
some of them show up in the
highlighted.
financials positively.
And here also it's showing
the financials negatively. And I think that
in the
we're gonna
soundbar,
get to
on the
a new
soundbar,
trend,
that
that new
from
trend
where
not
it
become
has been
evident for
coming,
another quarter or so.
on which time, which word has
So
been
I really
used.
don't think it
Okay.
helps to predict right now. I think we have a very
Showing the
clear
English.
target on where we're going in that regards. And we think profitability
Which
is very,
language is
very
there?
important. What I said was that we examined the future product roadmap.
And it
not the products
also
that are
shows the
shipping today,
number of
future ones that we're working
speakers.
on.
It has
And what
only
we
one
found was
speaker,
that
so it's showing
40% of
zero
them were
speakers.
incredibly good.
If another
And
speaker will
70% of
come,
them were either
here
pretty good
something
or things
Speaker
that
two
we
is
didn't
there.
really need to be doing. Businesses we really didn't need to be in. And so we pared a lot of that back so we could focus the same amount of original resource even more on what was remaining and adds a few new things in. So the resources that we're investing are equal or greater than we have been.
So what you're seeing that it's not only providing transcriptions, but you can see that whatever he speaks in the video, only that word is going to be highlighted. So you can use for that studying purpose also. For lots of purposes you can use. And after that also you also get the PDF of the transcripts also. Okay.
Yeah.
So first
But it's
here,
on fewer things.
if
So
you
when
like
do
it,
I'm not talking. You get the right strategy if you have the right people and if you have the
every
right
time limit is
culture
there.
of your company. You'll do the right products. You'll do the right marketing.
Okay. Then after when you heard that, if you like it, you can download it. So it has been downloaded. I will show you the PDF of that. See, this is the PDF. Okay. So from this time to this time, this has been spoken by speaker 0 means there is only one speaker. So see, full transcription is there. The times you have full transcription, full transcription is there. No other software will provide such a detailed transcription to you. So it's really very good for transcription purpose. So you can use that. So after that, another thing is that is audio native. So let's see what's audio native is. But this audio native is also for paid version. But I will show you what it will do. So we are going to select audio native. So okay, see that it's asking for upgrade your subscriptions. So what happens in that audio native? In audio native, what's happened that if you have any video, okay, or if you have any transcript or anything in written format, it will convert into audio format, and whatever word has been spoken in that audio, that will be highlighted. Okay, so it's for paid version, you can't use it, but let's see, I can show you one video on that. Let's see.
I'm Chris. And I'm Brian. Customize the
See, this is the audio native video. What audio native video can audio native thing can do in EllevenLabs for you. So if you have paid, if you have a paid version, you can use it. So I'm showing you the video. See it.
to be. Imagination will take you everywhere.
So I'm playing the video. That is made by EllevenLabs, not by me.
EllevenLabs introduces audio native. Now, any web page can come to life with narration.
A year ago, when Volodymyr Zelensky received a hero's welcome in Washington,
It's highlighting what has been said.
EllevenLabs.io/audio native. Choose a voice.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Chris. And I'm Brian. Customize the look of your player and copy and paste the code we give you onto your website. And then sit back as we convert every article you publish into one your audience can listen to. In a remarkable display of compassion and determination, you can track your metrics and watch your engagement grow. Your entire site can now become a podcast on demand. Narrate your content today with EllevenLabs Audio Native.
Okay. Have you seen that? What's the use purpose of audio native? So using that audio native, you can convert your text into a podcast. And simply, if you go and paste that programming into your web page, each of your blog converted into your podcast, automatically. You don't have to do anything. You have to write your blog post and on your uh, website and forget it. It will convert into a podcast, but some amount you have to pay to EllevenLabs. It's not free, so it's a really good thing. You can use it. Next thing, see, no, another is production. But this is a paid one, and this is not paid through subscription. This is paid for. Uh, this work has been done by humans, and they will charge something from you that is not cut from your subscription. You have to pay that amount. Like for transcription, you have to pay $2 per minute, and it will take 2 days. Okay. Then captions. If you want captions by human, then it will take $2.2 per minute. It take 3 days. Subtitles, $7 per minute. Dubbing, $22 per minute. See, if you want to use it, the dubbing part, $22. That is around 2,000 rupees per minute. For a half an hour podcast you want to dub, how much amount you have to pay? Calculate it. So if you use EllevenLabs AI part, you can done it into 2-3,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. It will take you around 2,000 and into 60. It's really 1,20,000 rupees. Okay, so you have funds, then you can use that. If you don't have funds, use AI. Simple. Okay, and this is a paid one. So now, this part has been completed. Okay, I have told you how. If you go to home, what you can see. If you go to voices, you can see the lots of voices available in its library. Text to speech, I have told you. Voice changer, I have told you that you can change the voice of any of your audio. Okay. Sound effects, I have told you. Voice isolator, I have told you. Studio, I have showed you. Music, dubbing, speech to text, audio native. If you haven't understand this one, I will provide the recording also. See it multiple times and practice it. Uh, it's a very good tool, and after using it, you can do lots of things. You can earn from it. You can create lots of content. It will save your time, and you can reach globally. Okay, so use it. And if we go here, this is creative platform. If we change it, it came to agent platform. That I will show you. Okay, in agent platform, we can create the agents. That I will teach you in another class, but not in this class. Let's see so if you click there, it will show you creative platform. Now I have changes to agent platforms. So when you come to agent platform, you can create an agent, which will is a voice agent. It will and embed in your website, and it will reply in behalf of you. And this dashboard will show you how much calls it attended, what is the duration, how much credit it has been used, okay, and how much it's costing you. Okay, so all the data is there. You can see the speech, the talk which has been done with the people, anybody. So you can see that afterwards you can see which one is the important call. The number is there. You can go to. So lots of tools are there, and to their agents you can give the knowledge base. Like if you have a customer care agent for your website, so you have to provide the knowledge base. Knowledge base matlab means data from where it will search anything and reply your customer. Okay, voices are there. You can change the voices. Everything is there. Okay, so that is for paid version. You can't create agents in free version. But let me see if I can tell you in the next class. I will tell you. Okay. In agents. Okay. So next class I'm going to use this agent one, not this class. Okay. So today, what we learn lots of things, and in which we have text to speech, voice cloning, dubbing, and text to speech, sound, and how to pull out the transcripts. So, if you want to, one small homework is there. Go write two scripts of 300 words in two languages, okay, and convert it into uh, voice, okay, audio format, and paste in my uh, WhatsApp number, okay, the group which I have made, and the people who will submit this task, I will share one ebook which I have made for you. That I am going to show you. Okay, that is that ebook. I'm going to show you this. I made ebook for you. Restore. So this is the ebook. That is EllevenLabs complete tutorial from beginners to advanced. In this ebook, you will also get how to start your earning journey. The step-by-step guide. Okay. See, this is the book. EllevenLab complete tutorial from beginners to advanced. Introduction, everything is there. Okay. Introduction to EllevenLab, getting started with the free version. So in this book, I have covered only the free version, not the paid version. And it's mentioned that how much free credits you are going to get per month, okay, and how much audio you can generate from that. Okay, so see, you can understand voice synthesis, creating your first voice clone, advanced voice customization technique. Everything is there. Okay, you read it. Okay, real world application uses optimizing audio quality, working with different languages. Okay, API integration is also there, which I haven't told you, but you can learn from that. Advanced features and techniques. Okay, you can have emotional controls, layer emotions through punctuations and word choice. Questions naturally rise in the pitch. Short sentences create urgency. Okay, so and then chapter 11 is on monetization strategies, like freelance services, content creation, production development, agency services, educational resources. And a 30-day roadmap is also there for how to start your earning. Okay. So if you follow that, actually what's happened that whenever we go for earning from any tool, we only hope that we are going to earn in lakhs of crores, but it doesn't happen. It's always start with a meager amount, a small amount. Like first week, focus on learning first 1 to 2 weeks, not for income. Okay, and third week, You can get either $50 or $100 from first of your work. You don't expect that you are going to get $1,000. So after 2 months, you can get $1,000 when you get experience and you have portfolio to show somebody that much work I have done. Okay. Scaling and optimization is there, content creation is there, service launch is there, everything you can. This is not in very detail, but it will give you a one roadmap. And if you want a detailed roadmap, that I will also provide you, but not now, because if you read that, so this book is one in ebook format also, and if you want this book. This in PDF format, so you can get in PDF format also. Okay, whichever you like, I will give you, and this book will be very useful to you. So okay, for today, uh, this is that's all I have, and next Saturday I am going to teach you how to make podcast, two people podcast from AI. That's using Hagen, and that the time will be 8:30 p.m. and that will really be interesting for your content creation. So don't miss it. Thank you for attending the class. Enjoy what I have taught you and practice it. If you practice it, you will master it. And when you master it, you will earn lots of money. So first, don't go for money. First, go for learning. Give some time to learning. If you give some time to learning, practice it, master it, after go to build a portfolio and go to the market. And in first phase, not go for big amount of money. Do work for free or small amount. Collect their responses and make a portfolio. And after that, you will get very big contracts. Okay. So if you practice it or work it for 2 to 3 months, you're going to earn lots of money. There's a very big field open for that. So my advice is that use it, practice it, and earn lots of money. And I'm always ready to help you. So we are going to meet on next Saturday with classes on how to make podcasts with two peoples using AI. That is agent. So meet you next Saturday, 8:30 p.m. Don't miss. Thank you.